Hi guys! For today's video, I am going to do unboxing with this Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio Coffee Maker. With this machine, how you brew is up to you. The flexible design of the Hamilton Beach Trio Coffee Maker lets you brew coffee in 3 different ways. 1. On the single serving side, you have 2 brewing options, making coffee with your favorite brand of pod such as K-Cup, or using ground coffee. Using pod lets you brew up to 10 ounces of coffee, and brewing with coffee ground lets you brew any size cup up to 14 ounces. When you want 12 cups of coffee, simply fill the water reservoir and brew basket on the carafe side just like you do in a traditional coffee maker. After brewing, coffee stays warm in the carafe for 2 hours. Select brew let you choose bold or regular brewing strength. This Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio Coffee Maker include the 12-cup glass carafe, single-serve pod holder, single-serve brew basket, and a cup rest with a storage area. This machine is 13.7 by 12.2. So this is the 12-cup glass carafe. It's easy to open. This is the storage area for pod holder or brew basket. And this is the ground coffee single serve. Here we can brew up to 14 ounces with your favorite ground coffee. This sides here is really you like to use if you have lots of family that love coffee, because you can brew up to 12 cups using your favorite ground coffee on the carafe side. And this side here, you put water if you want a single cup only. This is the part where you are going to put your favorite ground coffee. And then if you have your favorite K-Cup coffee, use the gray, and just like that, put your favorite coffee. This is the other side where the carafe side. You have to put your coffee filter first and then water down there. After that, you have different program here that you can use. Brew strength, you can select bold or regular, and that is the storage area. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching.